Hey there planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. So today's video I thought it would be fun to plan in my Erin Condren weekly view life planner here. This is the compact vertical and I thought it'd be fun to kind of step into spring and use Planything seasonal fun sticker book. So if you guys want to check out this plan with me, then keep on watching. Hi there, welcome to the channel. So glad that you found it. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here in my planner world. And today we're going to plan out in a weekly view. This is the Erin Condren A5 compact vertical. And I do want to use this sticker book by Planything. It's seasonal fun. However, I'm not sure if she still has this one on the website, but something's kind of similar to this that you can get is this one here. This is Happy Season, and it's a really great buy. And she has loads of stickers, and the sticker books are really great quality. I'll leave the link down below, but this one I kind of want to save closer to Easter, but it's an all year round sticker book. I got this in the Advent that she did, Christmas Advent, but she had some available to purchase. So she has this cute collection that I want to save for Easter, and that's why I'm not using this one right now. I want to use this one because it has some fun butterflies, and I haven't had a chance to use this one quite honestly. Just some of the summer ones, but it does have some Easter deco clear, and you always get like 2 sheets of each design. And I love these little farm animals. They look like baby farm animals, which are adorable. And then like the butterflies, and then there are boxes to go with this. So this is the one that I plan on using. And then I do have functional sticker books on the side, just extra stuff, because we have daylight savings on Sunday. And so I'm pulling out these recollections ones that I just got. They're all like essential calendar stickers. So I have these, and then just some extra happy planner stickers just for like functional use if I need them, like deco, or mainly icon, I mean. Deco is more, if you're new to the planning world, deco is more of like themed decorative stickers. Icons are more essential to like daily planning stuff, and most of the time I feel like they're more smaller or they're black and white, but yeah. And then I have the recollections. This is very old, but I've been trying to go through my stash and find more weather stickers because I'm completely out of the ones from Happy Planner. So this one has these in the back, which I'm gonna go ahead and take out and cut this up and put it in my planner so I know where this is. It's just that these are so old, the adhesive is not the best, so I'll have to like glue these in. But let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is white out these lines, and then I will put in my weather. Okay, as I'm putting the rest of the weather stickers down, before I get to Sunday, I want to put the daylight savings. Put this daylight savings down. And then I'm gonna kind of cut out these clocks. These are a wellness sticker sheet. There's a little reminder there. The weather here. Yeah, so I don't have like a partly cloudy, so I think I talked about this last time, and hopefully I don't stick my hand over here, but I'm gonna take this whiteout pen and cover up these dots because I'm doing what I can at the moment because it's the only weather stickers I could find. I'll let it dry and then try to touch it up. Okay, I'm gonna pull my washi over here and see what I can use because I haven't changed this out yet. So it has a lot of pink and purples, but I did add some color because I knew that this would happen. So I added a little color. Maybe these rainbows. maybe, oh, actually this might work. The Simply Gilded one, I wonder if this will fit. This one's really pretty. I think this is part of her Easter collection. It's got like a rainbow theme, and then you can barely see the foiled bows, but they're really pretty. And I think this will match really nicely. Here at the top. Oh my gosh, I love this washi cutter. It's so easy than what I was using before. I'm gonna cover up this March too. I kind of see why people use weekly kits in here, because you kind of want it to go all the way across when you do like a border up here, whether it's washi or a sticker, and then you want to use a header. You still want a header, right? Like I don't want to cover up March. So when I go flipping through my planner, I know that this is March. I don't need both sides to say March, but I could see why people use a kit because it just looks nicer. Kind of still have like that whiteout showing. So I'm gonna add like this small heart holographic skinny washi right underneath that, off camera so I can see it a little better. Okay, so I added the thin washi here up at the top. It looks really cute with this washi, and I added a different one here at the bottom. And by the way, if you don't have this washi cutter, it's really great. I definitely recommend it. It's just so easy to cut washi. So the link will be down below. It's Live Love Posh, and you can save 10% off your order with Sarah10 if you'd like. Okay, I love that. The washi looks super cute. This is like the cute little combo. Simply Gilded. I think this is Live Love Posh or Planything, which with Planything, which is the sticker book that I'm using, you can buy anything off her shop individually. She no longer does like a subscription thing. And again, this is Simply Gilded. That is really pretty. That's actually my favorite because of the colors. Okay, so now let's kind of cover up this section here, which I plan for next week's plans. I'm just going to use this circle instead of using a box. The next thing that I do is add boxes to the days that I have events going on, which I forgot to say, we are planning a week in advance. So I'm planning the 6th through the 12th. I need boxes for Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. So across this whole top section, which if you didn't know that this is laid out with the first beginning of the week, Monday through Thursdays on this side and the weekends on this side. I have 4 boxes here. They're all appointments. Actually, this one I'm going to put right here because it's later in the day. This one is also later in the day. That one's in the morning, and then this one is also later in the day. Okay, I'm just gonna fix these two. And Wednesday is a half day. So I'm just gonna use a smaller box. Usually I've been using a really big box, but I should just use this one. And then Thursday, I don't have anything. I'm actually gonna leave that open. Sometimes I put a sticker box there just to have one there if I need it, but looking at my calendar, I don't have anything going on in that moment. And then Sunday, Actually, it's going to be an open thing too, because I think I put a memo that my daughter has her last day with her instructor for driving before like she can actually go take her test. So I think the 12th was one of those days, which has led us to go to church on Saturday nights. We've been going Saturday nights because she's been going to her appointments on Sundays, like in the mornings, and it's like a couple hours. So, and then Sunday is, you know, reset day. So, you know what, I can add a box because I feel like if that doesn't happen, I can use it for something else. I'm gonna add this other box here because I think that's cute. Okay, so now I flip this to the back and I pull out my planner Kate next week's stickers. I'm gonna use this little orange one. And then these are Planner Kate little dinner stickers. And I'm going to use like these blue ones here at the bottom. And so for Wednesday and Thursday, I'm going to leave space for like because I'm planning ahead, if I need to add a box. Because the next thing that I do is put my top 3 focus down. That's how I use this weekly view. Okay. So now I take a color dot marker, which right now I have the Artist Loft ones. And I like switching up the color. I think that's fun. I do have this peachy color. And the thing though with this purple with the Artist Loft, I actually have a color zig purple one that I think I like better. Because this one's super, super light. Okay, so I'm gonna add this peach one. Yeah, this one's very opaque compared to the Artist Loft purple. Let me just kind of show you on the back of this sticker paper. You see? It's so light. It kind of looks like the single ones that I have by Zig. But I prefer this one. This is actually the double-ended one. This is... the other ones I thought had names on them. Yes. Oh, I have, maybe because I got these in a stationery store and the other ones I bought off of Amazon in a pack. And so they have these stickers on them. It's really hard to get off, but it says 206. I don't know if that's the number, but it's definitely a pink, and then this is like a purple or a lavender or something. Okay, let's put down our dots. The Artist Loft, I always get a bigger stamp. I have more control with the zigs. I don't know. whatever, they're fun to use. Okay, as a like a cute little checklist. They're so tiny. Now I can add decorative stickers now that we have that down. Just add these to the back. I think I'm gonna put in some of the butterflies. And I'm trying to put it in the spaces, like since I've planned in this layout before, so I say where to exactly put some of these stickers without like putting it in a space where I might put a box and stuff. Bunny, oh my gosh, so cute. And then we have this cute little cow. Yeah, there we go. Add the butterfly. Okay, this is like a little bouquet of flowers, and they totally match that washi. So I'm just gonna place it in this white space. It's on this page with the butterflies. And these are all clear, and they're the really soft clear stickers. Put one down there and just trim this. And I'm gonna cut this one in half. Put that right there along the spine. And then I think I'm gonna put the rest of it right here. Trim it just a little bit. This definitely stretches your stickers out when you cut them up and put them along the sides of the paper. So you get like a nice little cluster of stickers around the pages. Okay, that wraps up this plan with me. Again, this is how I use the spread, and in my plans with me, most of the time I just do like a decorative foundation and then I put in the plans. But stay tuned for my daily petite planner. I do a lot of chatting in that one, and I decided to put in the plans for that day. You guys gotta let me know what's your favorite and how much you adore the sticker book. It's so cute. But again, she doesn't have this one on her store, I don't think, anymore. This is called Seasonal Fun. This is Happy Season, which is a newer one. You can definitely find that one on her website. But thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. It definitely helps my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.